The procedure used for adding polynomials in one variable is used to add polynomials in several variables. Basically, we're looking, since it's all addition, to combining like or similar terms. We have a trinomial plus another trinomial. Since it's addition, the parentheses have no effect. So our mission will be to combine like terms. A similar term to this first, having x to the power 2, y to the power 2 is here. Combining the coefficients, -2 plus 3 results in 1 x to the second, y to the second, using the distributive property. We have a positive 6xy, and here we have another xy term. Combining the coefficients of a positive 6 plus 1 more results in 7xy, and constant terms, positive 12 plus 8 results in 20. Subtraction is no different with more than one variable. Subtraction of a quantity using the rule of subtraction, which says we can replace subtraction with addition of the opposite. We can quickly turn this polynomial subtraction into the addition of the opposite by changing the signs of each of the terms in the polynomial that's being subtracted. And now we can add. Since these were both positive to begin with, the opposite will have both of them negative. Then we're at the stage of adding polynomials, where combining like terms, 1y squared plus -2y squared leaves a -1y squared. The 1 is implied or understood to be there. We have an xy term here and an xy term, so these are similar terms. -10 plus -3 results in a -10 plus 3, or 13xy, for our final solution for this subtraction of polynomials in more than one variable.